Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you for joining me. In this video, I will be doing permanent lock extensions featuring Fashion Dreads by Starr. The install took us 2 days, and with the install, we also did color. In my opinion, I feel like the locks were a little stiff. Could be because they were pre-processed. First, I installed the locks, and after we finished the installation, we did a purple ombre color. Some of my clients choose to do the permanent lock extensions because they want to add some length to their existing locks. So in this next clip, you're going to see me applying the color. If you haven't guessed it, my client's favorite color is purple. That's actually how we met. We both love purple a lot. As of the past few years, I did switch to blush pink, but I still have a soft spot for purple and lavender. When coloring locks, it's very important that the product penetrates each and every lock for consistent color. Now that all the color has been applied, I'm going to go ahead and put my client up under the dryer just to make sure that all the pigments penetrate deep within the hair strands as possible. Here are the results after we shampoo and dried, and now we're adding lock jewelry. The Fashion Dreads by Loc Star did okay, except in the color that we did. After we did the color process, the locks weren't as stiff. Guess who loved how their hair turned out? What do y'all think? Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, rate, share, comment. See you in the next one.